What can you do with Quickbase? That's a great question, and one that I'm often asked. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the amazing things you can do with Quickbase. What is Quickbase? Quickbase is a low-code application development platform. It allows you to create custom business applications without having to write any code. This makes it a great tool for businesses of all sizes. How does Quickbase work? Quickbase works by providing you with a set of templates and tools that you can use to create your applications. These templates and tools include forms, tables, reports, workflows, dashboards, and much more. Once you've created your application, you can share it with your team members or customers. What can you do with Quickbase? There are many things you can do with Quickbase. Here are a few examples. Track your sales pipeline. Manage your customer relationships. Automate your business processes. Track your projects. And much more. Quickbase use cases. Here are a few specific examples of how businesses are using Quickbase. A manufacturing company is using Quickbase to track their production schedule and inventory levels. A marketing agency is using Quickbase to manage their client relationships and track their advertising campaigns. A healthcare provider is using Quickbase to track patient records and schedule appointments. A nonprofit organization is using Quickbase to manage their volunteers and track their donations. Benefits of using Quickbase. There are many benefits to using Quickbase. Here are a few of the most important. Easy to use. No coding required. Highly customizable. Scalable. Affordable. Quickbase is a powerful tool that can help you to automate your business processes, improve your productivity, and save time and money. If you're looking for a way to create custom business applications without having to write any code, then Quickbase is the perfect solution for you. If you're interested in learning more about Quickbase, please visit our website or sign up for a free trial. Be sure to check out the Quickbase community forum for tips and tricks from other users. Attend a Quickbase webinar or training session. Hire a Quickbase consultant to help you get started. Thank you for watching.